from the store to my kitchen. Guys, welcome to Riziki's kitchen. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make Dutch food. My cousin from the Netherlands, she's the one who is going to make Dutch food for us. So let us sit, enjoy, and watch this delicious Dutch winter food. Buying some stuff, and our sister is gonna make something special for us. She's from Europe, so we are just looking some things which she made to make for us. Come with us. Look on the cake. Okay, guys. So broccoli. Yeah, broccoli. This is I forgot. Let us check. Oh my God, there is no name. Anyway, so we moved, guys, from vegetable side to meat side. So come with us. From sausage side to beef side. Come on. I don't know what to choose because I'm not the cooker. Today, I'm not. From meat side to sauce. Here, come with us. You okay? Yeah. Okay, another eye. Here we are going to see spices from sauce side to spices side. So come with us again. This is nice. Our food is here, guys. We have the cashier. Okay, we are on checkout, guys. Hey. You see the price, guys? We are on that one. Yay! Simon is here, and then Maja is there, and then someone is. Oh. And we are here, we are out. Tom, my car is clean. Yeah? My car is clean. No. Back on your chair. Okay, so back. Let us go cook. Cook, eat, enjoy. Our cooker is here, our chef. The bodies are all here, guys. Everything is here. Guys, we are loved. This is another opportunity for us to see another one of our cousins coming here to Canada to visit us. This is our first time too. So last year we were blessed with one of them, which is the oldest one. This is the youngest one. And oh, we are so happy to see her. She decided to make something special for us. This is Dutch food, guys. They cook it and they will keep it even for 2 to 3 months in the freezer. So they call it stamppot. So what you are seeing on the screen, guys, is what they usually cook. And the food, oof, it was so good. So yummy, guys. The food she's making here is really Dutch winter food. So guys, I can't wait to try this. Look, this is how it is. The one with the green, it's they call it stampots. That is a winter food in Netherlands. So yes, and the kids are enjoying. They really love it. Okay, guys. And myself, I was just dreaming about this food because I was there when it was cooked. and I left because I have to rush. So whenever I was walking, my mind was on the food. So now I'm here. I can't wait to try it. So good.